So today we decided to start some germination of our seeds. So what I have here is a germination kit, and we have a selection of seeds as well.
Yeah.
So today we have help from my beautiful daughter Quinn, and what we're going to do is we're going to grow, what's it called? Kale.
Kale.
What's this?
Lettuce.
And?
Basil.
And basil, exactly. All right, so we're gonna plant the seeds in our kit, and then in a couple days, no, how long? How many days? Like 40 days, 50 days? Okay? We're gonna have to have beautiful fruits and vegetables in our kit. All right? So,
Right here.
what we've done is we've already soaked our cocoa coir pellets in some warm water. As you can tell, they've already tripled in size. And what we're gonna do before we put them in the kit is we're just gonna loosen up the medium that's inside them, like that. Nice and gentle, Quinn, just with your hands. Perfect. And then we're gonna put them right into our germination kit.
Yeah, I will finish them all.
Okay, and as you can see, we have all of them that have been soaked in water, and now we're ready to plant our seeds. All right, so now we've selected our seeds. We have lettuce, we have kale, and we have, what's the last one?
Basil.
Basil, exactly. So for the basil, what we're going to want to do is we're going to plant 3 to 4 seeds in each of our cocoa coir pellets.
Yep.
For the kale, we're going to plant 2.
And we're going to put it in the holes.
That's right. And for the lettuce, we're going to plant how many?
1, 2.
2, exactly. We're going to plant 2 in each of the holes in the cocoa coir pellets.
Right in here.
All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to open them up.
Yep.
And then Quinn's going to hold out her hand. There.
Open the other one.
No, we're going to open the basil first. All right, so you're going to put it in Daddy's hand.
Yep. And then
Like that.
in my
Now we're going to ask our cameraman to just zoom in a bit. All right, come closer. So we're going to take 2 with our fingers, Quinn.
Yep.
Go for it. 1. It's okay. That's 3. Perfect. So you're going to put all 3 right in there. Excellent. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to slightly cover them in dirt. And then we're going to pat it down with our finger. And then we're going to repeat the process with all 32.
Yeah. I'll squeeze them up. Okay?
Yeah, squeeze them. Now once your kit is filled with water, you're going to add the humidity dome on top of your germination kit, and then you're going to take a black plastic bag, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it inside the bag just like that, so that it's covered, and we're going to keep like this for 48 hours. And in 48 hours we're going to come back and we're going to see if our seeds have started to germinate.